The next line on our tour is the one that currently has the lowest level of service, the Heritage Corridor, running the 37 miles from Union Station to Joliet. Currently, there are 3 commuter trains a day that use this particular route. This railroad was once the Gulf, Mobile, and Ohio. For years, the GM&O ran 1 commuter train each way a day over this route. Metra has tripled the service and has plans for further increases in the future. Joliet is the terminal for the Heritage Corridor service. People sometimes wonder why 2 lines serve Joliet. Of course, each line has different intermediate stops, but also this arrangement gives Joliet passengers the choice of which Chicago station suits them best, Union Station or LaSalle Street Station. One of the things that can be seen here at Joliet and many other Metra stations are these announcement boards, which can provide announcements to routes or even individual stations.
Metra commuters on the Rock Island line awaiting your next outbound train to Chicago. Train number 619. Be advised the train is currently running 56 minutes behind schedule due to earlier grade crossings. Apologize for any inconvenience we may have caused you, and we thank you for your patience.
These people at Metra headquarters in downtown Chicago keep passengers informed over the entire Metra system.
Attention, attention, Rock Island commuters at Hickory Creek. Train 508 due to depart Hickory Creek at 9:41. This train will be boarding from Platform 2. I repeat, Platform 2. Thank you.
From here, patrons are given both verbal and visual announcements relating to train status. This level of service has been made possible by a new global positioning satellite tracking system that pinpoints the location of each Metra train. Operators can quickly see where a train is, as well as ascertain on-time status. This is certainly an improvement over the old times when passengers just stood waiting at their stations, wondering when the train would show up.